Today's math lesson is on explaining the size of a product and relating the fraction and the decimal, which will be equivalent to each other, by multiplying by a fraction by 1. Basically, today's lesson we learned about changing fractions to decimals. Okay, the problem is if we wanted to change 6/8 to a decimal. Well, today in class we learned that in order to change to a decimal, we want to do it based on hundredths, or we want to do it based on tenths, because we know how to write decimals based on hundredths and tenths. Well, you can see that there's nothing times 8 that will give you 100, and there's nothing times 8 that will give you 10. So this won't work. But what will work is to take 6/8 and simplify it, or reduce it, to 3/4. If you do that, you can do times 25, top and bottom, because 4 times 25 is 100. 3 times 25 is 75, and now you have 75 hundredths, which as a decimal you would write as 0.75. If 3/4 is equal to 0.75, then 6/8 is also equal to 0.75, because 6/8 and 3/4 are equivalent. Therefore, their decimals are equivalent. So this method right here, this method of top-bottom multiplication to get it in hundredths or tenths, this is what we worked on today in today's lesson.